Alright guys, Georgia Jim. I've got a challenge lock here from LockJockey. I got this from Mugatu68, so big thanks to him. Alright, so I picked this once. While I was chatting with my old lady, and it kind of fell open on me, and I've not been able to duplicate that. Alright, that was 5. That was 4. Here's 5. There's 3. 5. One's giving counter rotation. And this, there it went, finally. Alright, there's 1. Alright. 2. 3. 3. Still binding. That was actually 4, okay. 5. 5. Come on. Let me grab a deeper hook. There we go. Alright, I'm ready to gut this damn thing and look at this key because I don't know what the hell he put in it, but it kept me out for like I said, I fought with this thing for 2 or 3 days off and on. So great job, LockJockey. Alright. Oh, let's unplug that before we make a mess, a bigger mess. Alright. If I can get this clip off without turning the core. There we go. I want to keep that key a secret so when we pass it on to the next victim. Ooh, I about messed up. Let me stick a shim in here. All right. Do I have a... I think I've used about all my pinning trays, yeah. I'll see if I had a prettier one for this, but... Now we got a spooled key pin on one. Serrated key pin. That was a T-pin on 3, and I believe that was hanging me up also. And we got a spooled on 4 and a serrated on 5. We've got nothing in the Bible, or I'm sorry, the plug. Let's see. Works better when you take the shim out. Alright. One is a T-pin, and the way he had it oriented was like this. So when you tension the core, it bound up, and you had to counter rotate to get it up. And that was hanging me up for a while too. I thought it was a 0 lift for the longest. Now we got a nice little gin bottle spool. And I'll just zoom in on this stuff. It's not going to focus. I know that by now. Alright, let's see. Another have a little mushroom style. All the same pin so far. Let me see if I see any threading in the core. Nope. Alright, let's go do pin 5. I see which way it was oriented. 5 is a nice little double spool. And 4 was this serrated that was giving me all those little clicks. So we got all standard springs, no threading, no modifications to the Bible or the plug. But this is a really nice lock, and it put up a hell of a fight. So thank you, LockJockey. And also thanks Mugatu for giving it to me. I'll be making sure to get this out to someone else, and we'll close up on the pins so you guys can admire this nice work he's done. It's that nice double spool there. We got the nicely serrated there. That was really grabbing. I said that T-pin on that reverse T-pin on 1 really did throw me for a loop. I thought it was a 0 lift. I get the slightest bit of counter rotation, then nothing. I was like, okay, that's just pushing against the plug, so I'll leave that alone. And then we had the 2 mushroom spools, which this one here was really easy to overset. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks again, LockJockey and Mugatu.